everybody. I'm Harry the bunny. Oh, 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 oh! Did you hear that? That was the ice cream truck. Oh! The music made my ears jump. Just like this. Ooh, 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 ooh. My big bunny ears can hear every sound. Like a cat's meow. Listen, that's a soft voice. Where is that kitten? Whoa! That's a loud voice. The sound is coming from an aeroplane. Wow, that was loud.
Harry the bunny, where are you?
I'm outside in the garden, Mummy. I just heard Mummy's voice. My ears always listen to Mummy. I love listening with my ears. My ears and I are waving bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Harry the bunny. Bye-bye, funny bunnies.